Hi, so how to blur your home on Google Maps Street View. So Street View is a feature in Google Maps that lets you look at places as if you were standing there on the street. So let's get straight to it. I'm using just a random address here just as an example. I'm not actually sending a blurring request for this property. First, let's open Google Maps on your computer and search for an address. Then click on a spot on the street to open the street view. And let's click the street view. And next to the address, you'll see three dots. Click on them and select Report a problem. Now you can select the area you want to have blurred. You can also zoom in or out and adjust the size of the selected area using your mouse. And now we have selected this area which we want to have blurred, and we scroll down and we choose, for example, you can request to blur your home or an object located on your private property. So let's select my home. After that, Google may ask you to verify your connection to the address. For example, you can use a utility bill such as electricity bill as proof of address. Then fill in the rest of the required information and submit your request to Google. And the request usually takes around 1 to 2 weeks to be processed. Once it has been reviewed and approved, the area you selected will appear blurred in Google Maps Street View. And that's it. I hope this quick guide was helpful. Thanks for watching the video and bye.